Hello guys, this is Henry from Henitech. So today we'll be looking at inverter welding machine. So the inverter doesn't come on when we plug the power cord. So we are going to be troubleshooting and fixing the problem. So let's get started. So let's start from the diode. Here, this is the diode. So this diode, this rectifier diode converts AC to DC. So let's see if the rectifier diode is still okay. Okay, now working. It's working now. The other side. So now let's reverse the probe. So looking at this rectifier diode, seems something is still okay. So we don't have problem with this rectifier diode. Now let's continue with others. As you can see, this is the output from the rectifier diode, and this is the other output. So from here to there is a relay, and this is the relay. So when we plug this welding machine, the SMP will switch this relay and connect these two legs together to make a jumper. For here we have an NTC here, which produce a small amount of current to this. But when the relay is closed, from here to here, when the relay is closed, it creates a high current that allow the machine to work. Now we try to test the relay if there is there is connection between the. As you can see, the relay is reading. Let me see if we have the relay is reading. That means the relay is still working. Now this is a capacitor, and the spec of the capacitor is a 400 volt, 560 microfarad. Now physically looking at the capacitor, it is okay. Now we are going to test the capacitor. So our multimeter is in the diode mode. So we try to check the connectivity, the continuity of this. Wow. Now as we can see, there is continuity within the capacitor. So I think there is problem here. Now we are going to trace the problem, because looking at the capacitor here, it's still good. And from here we have also a capacitor here, also a capacitor here. So we are going to test them. I think this is the capacitor. So we take the probe, and these capacitors are connected in series. And this is the other capacitor, but they are shortened. So I don't know what happened, but we be testing with the troubleshooting and going to get it. Now looking at here, this is a jumper and also a transformer. So this is a jumper and this one is a transformer. So this transformer is connected to this capacitor. Looking at it, this is it. This one leg connected to this capacitor. Now the capacitor makes a connection from here to here. But normal, if the capacitor is working fine, you read it, it will not beep. So that means there is something that shortened the circuit together. So this is the other leg of the legs of the jumper of the transformer, and is also connected. So what is the problem? So let's continue checking this. Now looking at this is a capacitor, the other leg is there, and this one is connected to this, while this one is connected through capacitor. Now from the other side, the positive side of this capacitor is connected to the igbt, Now and these two are connected together. Other side of this we have a 4 igbt MOSFET. So other side of this capacitor, the same capacitor is also connected to this. Now where is the problem coming from? If you look at the other side of the igbt, this is the one connected to the capacitor, and this one is connected to this transformer. So you can see this is it from here to here, and this one also is connected to this is it, let me see, to the other side of the capacitor too. So this is it. This one also is connected to this, and this is the jumper, is connected to this. So this other side is connected to the negative side of this capacitor, while the other side is connected to the positive side of the capacitor. Now what we need to do is to test this MOSFET. Maybe that is where the problem is from. So we are going to, let me put it like this, we are going to test the other side. This is it. Now so our meter is still in still have it in diode mode. Now let's test this, and you can see that brings a beep. Wow. So let's inverse the lead and see what we have. So using both the lead and inversing the lead, we can see that this igbt has been shortened here also. So let's test all and see what we have. So it seems the igbt are not working. So we are going to remove this igbt and test them separately. So I think the igbt is not working, so we remove them and see what happens. So this one is not good. This one is also not good. It has been short circuit. And this one is kind of good. This one is also not working. So now coming back to the welding machine. So we have to test everything. As you can see, no more beeping. It's not beeping anymore. Okay, now we are going to try and plug this thing and see if, now as you can see, this machine works without the igbt. So what we need to do now, if we now try to test the output of this, is going to give us it is 0. The output is 0 because no igbt to power it up. To take back to our room, we'll place this igbt. And then right, we are going to replace them with this. But before we replace them, let's try to do some checkup on them. So this one doesn't read. This one also. So put this one. Now. So this one is the new one that we're going to be using. No reading. No reading. Then reverse the probe. Reading. Reading. So this one is good. No reading. No reading. Reverse it. No reading. No reading. So this is what we'll be using to replace the igbt that is not working. Now reverse the lead. So we'll be replacing this with the other ones. So now let's try and screw the new igbt. So we reverse the lead. So I have to solder this thing. See what we have. Let's see if you're going to have any connectivity. No short circuit. Now we're going to test same here. Yes, okay. Okay. I think everything is working now. Let me see. So we are going to plug it and see what we have. Now, see, this is the current. Sounds good. Now I'm going to test this thing. That's how. Wow. I think the machine. Oh. So the current. So I think the welding machine is fine now. At the end of the troubleshooting, we were able to know what the problem is and also fix the problem. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say about the video, you can leave a comment at the comment section. Thank you.